Russia's key industrial body Rostec State Corporation expects to sign an agreement for production. If Ka-226D helicopters in India are giving a big boost to PM Narendra Modi's Make in India initiative. In the backdrop of India-Russia summit and BRICS summit in Goa over the coming weekend, a variety of negotiations on the expansion of military technical cooperation and expansion of trade relations with India will be held on the occasion. The agreement to set up a joint production facility of Ka-226D helicopters will be the next big step in cooperation between Russia and India in the fruitful area of helicopter production and service. The preliminary contract was signed by Rostec CEO Sergei Chemezov in December 2015 when PM Narendra Modi visited Moscow for the annual summit. In addition, the heads of the state corporation will conduct a series of negotiations on Russian helicopter export and after-sales servicing. Chemezov will head Rostec's delegation to Goa. The contract for export and joint production of 200 Ka-226D helicopters is one of the key projects within the trade and industrial relations between Russia and India. We plan to expand them in both military, technical and civil areas. Currently we are in negotiations with India's Ministry of Defence (MOD) for a long-term contract for after-sales servicing of Russian-made helicopters, which are widely used in India. We are expecting to set up an after-sales service in a profoundly new format. There is an array of other projects where we see perspectives for mutually beneficial cooperation, which we plan to discuss at the BRICS summit, said Chemezov ahead of the Indo-Russian summit. Further, Rostec will give presentation of search and inspection systems developed by Rust Electronics at Goa. These systems are based on the linear electron accelerator and allow it to remotely identify the transported load. This would allow to screen and inspect vehicles, trucks and even trains moving at the speed of up to 70 km/h. There will also be presentation of the technology for wastewater treatment developed by RTECOS, part of Rostec. At BRICS summit in Goa, Rostec State Corporation is a Russian corporation founded in 2007 to promote the development, production and export of high-tech industrial products for civil and military purposes. It is comprised of more than 700 organizations, whereof 9 holding companies presently operate in the military-industrial complex. 6 organizations are in civilian industries, and 32 are direct control organizations. Rostec's portfolio includes famous brands such as AVT, OVAZ, KAMAZ, Kalashnikov concern, Russian helicopters,